How to add or remove music haptics to the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then tap on the add button at the top corner. Next, we go down, then tap on add a control. Now in the control list, we scroll down, and in here, go to the hearing accessibility, and then tap on music haptics. Now once you tap on that, it will be added to your control center. Then you can swipe up to go back to the control center, or swipe up again to go back to the home screen. Now you can swipe down or pull down the control center, and from here you can turn on or turn off music haptics by tapping on it. And that's it. After, you can swipe up. Now to remove it from the control center, just open up the control center and then tap on the add button and then tap on the remove button to remove music haptics from the control center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos. Now, if you don't know what is music haptics, it is a feature on Apple devices that provides tactile feedback synchronized with the rhythm and beat of the music you are listening to. This feature enhances the overall music listening experience by providing a physical sensation that complements the audio. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.